From $0 to my first $5,000. What I do differently, this actually works. I wasted months trying to make my first $5,000. Wrong skills, wrong advice, wrong mindset. If I had to do it again, I'd do everything differently. If you're starting from zero or just feel like you are, this might save you years. This isn't theory. These are practical moves you can start today. No fluff, no wasted time, just the exact steps to go from stuck to stable. Because the goal isn't just to make money, it's to create momentum. And the sooner you start, the faster you can turn everything around. This video isn't about hype, it's about real strategies that work in real life. It's not about where you are right now, it's about what you do next. Even if you feel like you're at rock bottom, this plan can help you rebuild. The first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most important. Let's skip the noise and get straight to what actually works. Part 1. Emotional Setup plus Identity Shift. I remember checking my bank account and seeing less than $50. It wasn't rock bottom, but it felt like failure. Everyone online promised fast money, but none of it worked. Why? Because I didn't need another make $500 fast video. I needed a map. A direction I could follow when I was broke, burnt out, and out of time. That's what this video is, a map. Not motivation, a method. If I had to make my first $5,000 again, this is the exact step-by-step playbook I'd follow. It's not about where you start, it's about how you move forward. Because staying stuck isn't an option, building momentum is. And the first shift isn't in your bank account, it's in your mindset. Stop thinking of yourself as broke and start thinking of yourself as rebuilding. Your identity drives your actions, and your actions build your results. This isn't just about money, it's about becoming the person who knows how to make it. When you shift your focus from scarcity to possibility, everything changes. Your first win might seem small, but it's proof that progress is real. And once you prove to yourself that you can move forward, momentum becomes unstoppable. This isn't just a reset, it's the start of building something bigger than you thought possible. Part 2. Step-by-step breakdown. Step 1. Monetize my time, not my passion. Forget passion. I'd pick a skill people are already paying for, like video editing, AI content writing, or copywriting. No website, no logo, just value delivered fast. I'd study 3 top Fiverr gigs, replicate what works, and cold DM 10 businesses a day with a simple pitch. No fluff. Just here's how I can help you make money. Want it? Speed beats perfection when you're broke. I'd focus on simple, repeatable tasks that can scale over time. Every dollar I earn now is a step closer to stability, and I reinvest part of it. Even small wins, like $50 gigs, stack faster than you think when you're consistent. The trick is to test fast, adjust quicker, and always focus on what clients actually need. Because when you solve their problems, you solve your own income problem too. I'd also leverage free tools like Canva for graphics or ChatGPT for quick edits to deliver faster. Experimenting with pricing early helps you find the sweet spot that balances volume and value. Don't waste time building a perfect portfolio. Your results will speak louder than any design. Networking online, even in free communities, can open unexpected doors to new gigs. Consistency isn't just about effort, it's about learning what works and doubling down on it. Remember, monetizing your time isn't the end goal, it's the bridge to something bigger. And every bridge you build now makes the next one easier to cross. Step 2. Use my first win as fuel. My first $20 payment? Screenshot it. Frame it. That win is leverage. That one win shifts your identity from trying to doing. I use it to reinvest into better tools, better systems, and repeat. Reinvest in skill building, a better course, a time-saving app, or even hiring help. Each step forward is fuel for the next and proof that this process works. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Build on every win, no matter how small. Because the fastest way to grow is by doubling down on what's already working. Momentum isn't magic, it's strategy stacked with consistency. Your first $20 is proof of concept. Now turn it into your first $200 and beyond. Celebrate the win, but don't stop there. Build momentum while the energy is fresh. Even small reinvestments, like upgrading software, can make you more efficient. Track every success, no matter how minor. Wins compound faster when you measure them. Remember, the real fuel isn't the money, it's the belief that you can keep growing. Treat each win as a stepping stone. Small victories pave the way to bigger results. Reinvest strategically and watch how quickly the cycle of growth accelerates. Step 3. Ruthless focus. I wouldn't juggle 5 side hustles. I'd pick one, go all in for 30 days, and cut everything else. You don't need options, you need outcomes. Clarity is cash. Distractions aren't opportunities, they're roadblocks. Stay locked in. Mastery comes from consistency, not variety. Do the boring work that pays. Every no to something else is a yes to your main goal. That's focus in action. Because when you channel all your energy into one stream, it compounds fast. Focus turns effort into momentum. Scattered effort only slows you down. It's not about doing more, it's about doing what matters most. Revisit your goals daily to stay aligned and motivated. Vision drives discipline. And remember, progress in one area often opens doors to bigger opportunities. Simplify, streamline, succeed. That's the formula for rapid growth. Part 4. Treat $5,000 as seed capital. When that $5,000 hits, I wouldn't flex, I'd plant it. That's how you go from hustle to leverage. Buy time, buy tools, buy freedom. Outsource repetitive tasks. Invest in systems that run without you. Most people spend their first $5,000 like a vacation. I'd use it like a blueprint. I'd reinvest into scalable opportunities, like launching a digital product or improving my skills. Think of it as fuel for the next phase, not a finish line. Every dollar planted today grows into more tomorrow. Even small investments, like software or training, can double your efficiency. The goal isn't to stop hustling, it's to turn hustle into compounding growth. Because treating money as a tool, not a trophy, is the fastest path to freedom. Reinvest in networking. Connections often lead to exponential opportunities. Consider tools like automation software to free up more time for high-value tasks. Scalable systems, like content creation or digital sales, multiply your impact with less effort. Treat every reinvestment as a step closer to financial independence. It's a mindset shift. Remember, the smartest moves aren't flashy, they're foundational. Part 3. Mindset transformation. You don't need a perfect plan, you need a single win. You don't need to know everything, you need one repeatable way to create value. Real growth starts the moment you stop trying to get rich fast and focus on building rich habits. If you're stuck, this isn't your failure, it's your training. This is your reset, your move. Small actions, done consistently, turn into unstoppable momentum. You're not rebuilding from scratch, you're building from experience. Every setback is data, every effort is a lesson, every win is proof. Because success isn't a destination, it's a series of choices starting now. Mindset isn't just motivation, it's the foundation that fuels resilience. Shift your focus from what's missing to what's possible. Perspective is power. Celebrate progress over perfection. Every step forward is momentum gained. The real transformation starts when you trust the process, even when results seem slow. Your journey isn't defined by the obstacles, it's defined by how you overcome them. If this gave you clarity, do 2 things. Hit subscribe for weekly money strategy that actually works. And share this with someone who's still stuck at $0. Your first $5,000 isn't the finish line, it's the ignition. Let's build the fire together. This isn't just about making money, it's about creating freedom. Because once you start, you'll realize the hardest part wasn't earning, it was believing you could. Your momentum starts now. Let's keep it going.